Hey there! Are you looking to boost your website traffic? Well, we've got just the solution for you. In this video, we're going to unveil an amazing 2-minute SEO hack that will skyrocket your website clicks. And the best part? It's all about structured data. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is structured data? It's a way of organizing and providing information about your website's content to search engines. By using structured data, search engines like Google can understand your website better, leading to higher visibility and more clicks. So how do you implement this 2-minute SEO hack? It's simple. Just add structured data markup to your website's code. You can use tools like JSON-LD or schema.org to easily create and implement the necessary data. Trust us, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Once you've added structured data, search engines will start recognizing and displaying additional information about your website on the search results page. This could include things like star ratings, reviews, and even product prices. Imagine the impact this can have on your website's click-through rate. Users will be more likely to click on your website over others, increasing your organic traffic. And the best part? You can achieve all of this in just 2 minutes. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing structured data on your website today and watch your traffic soar. Don't forget to thank us later. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome SEO tips and tricks. See you in the next one.